Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Columbia University student portal. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in activate UNI Columbia. That is activate UNI Columbia. Tap on the first link saying activate your UNI. Hit I agree to accept the terms and conditions, and then hit the link given to you. Hit I agree again. Scroll down and then hit activate my UNI. If you're in a mobile browser, you may have to zoom out or zoom in. Then you may have to scroll all the way down and then hit accept. Scroll down again, hit accept again. Once you're here, you must enter your UNI, hit continue and follow the rest of the on-screen instructions to activate your UNI. After that, you can head over to your search bar again, and then type in SSOL Columbia Login. Tap on the first link saying SSOL Columbia, zoom in if you're on a mobile browser, and then hit login with SSOL. I agree again, scroll down, zoom in again, and then enter university UNI along with your password, and then hit login to log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.